Yes, my dear students, start lecture number 2, sequences and series continue, and first class or first lecture introduction part, sequence meaning, AP meaning, GP meaning, and sum to n terms of the series formula is also complete. Sum to n terms formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or GPSN is equal to what? A times r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. R is greater than 1. If another one, r is less than 1, a times 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Next, example number 2, that is here examples is there. Example number 2. Write what is the 20th term, right? What is the 20th term of the sequence of the sequence defined by an is equal to n minus 1, 2 minus n, 3 plus n. What? Let solution, let sequence, this is the sequence. Which term find out? 20th term find out. An is equal to n minus 1, 2 minus n, 3 plus n. This is a term, nth term. To find 20th term, here n replace 20. N is equal to take 20. A20, yes, 20th term. This is meaning is what? 20th term. N replace 20. 20 minus 1. 2 minus 20. 3 plus 20 is equal to 20 minus 1, 19, that is minus 18 and 23. Product of these two value, here negative is there, minus 7,886. This is the value, minus 7,886. This is the value. Next, example number 3. Example number 3. Next, example number 3. Let the sequence an be defined as follows. A1 is equal to 1, an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2. This is suffix. For n greater than or equal to 2, find 5 terms. Find 5 terms. And write right? Corresponding series, and write corresponding series. Solution. Here given first, given what? Given a1 is given, a1 is what? 1. That is main important, a1 is given. Let series an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2, an minus 1 plus 2. For n greater than or equal to 2 take, listen here, n greater than or equal to 2, first number is what? N equal to 2, yes, n is equal to 2. Substitute a2 is equal to a2 minus 1, a1 plus 2. Here a1 already is there, substitute here a1 value is what? That is 1 plus 2 value is what? 3. Next n is equal to take 3, a3 is equal to 3 minus 1, 2, a2 plus 2 is equal to, here a2, this a2 refer previous value, here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Next n is equal to take 4, that is a4 is equal to 4 minus 1, a3 plus 2, a3 refer previous, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Next n is equal to take 5, that is a5 is equal to 5 minus 1, 4, a4 plus 2, that is a4 refer previous, 5 plus 7. This is 7 plus 2 is equal to, 7 plus 2 value is what? 9. That is the series up to 5 terms, that is sequence, that is sequence in the form of what? Corresponding sequence 3, 5, 7, 9. This is corresponding sequence in this series in the form of what? Series means yes means sum that is what? 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus up to so on in this form. That is the series in this form. That is the sequence, that is the series. Here this is the given, nth term is given, condition is what? N greater than or equal to 2 start, value take, n equal to 2 take, a2, n replace 2 minus 1, a1 plus 2, a1 already given, yes, here a1 is given, one by one up to 5 terms, then corresponding series write. Next example number 4. Example number 4. That is example number 4. Write heading. Write the first. Write the first 5 terms of each of the following, each of the following. Here one by one, first one, main fourth, inside first one, an is equal to n into n plus 2, an is equal to n into n plus 1. Second, n is equal to n by n plus 1. Third, n is equal to 2 power n. Up to write first 5 terms. This is very important. First 5 terms, an, nth term is given. That is solution. First this one, n is equal to take 1, e1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to 3. Next, n is equal to take 2, e2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 2 is 4, value is what? 8. Next, n is equal to take 3, e3 is equal to, and 3 into 3 plus 2 6, 3 plus 2 5, that is value is what? 15. N is equal to take 4, that is e4 is equal to what? 4 into 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Here 4, 3 plus 2 5, and 4 plus 2 6, that is value is what? 24. Next, n is equal to take 5, a5 is equal to what? That is n replace 5, 5 plus 2 7 is equal to 35. That is corresponding series, that is corresponding sequence is what? 3, 8, 15, 24 and 35. 35, that is. In same as it is, use this one, you do in your homework this one. That is third one I will explain. That is as it is, put n is equal to take 1 up to 5 terms, n equal to 1, a1 is equal to 2 power 1, value is what? 2. n is equal to take 2, that is a2 is equal to 2 power 2, 2 power 2 value is what? 4. n is equal to take 3, n is equal to take 3, a3 is equal to what? That is 2 to the power 3, 2 cube is what? 8. That is n is equal to take 4, here a4 is what? Fourth term is what? 2 to the power 4, value is what? 16. That is n is equal to take 5, that is a5 is equal to fifth term 2 to the power 5 is what? 32. That is corresponding sequence in the form of what? 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. This is the corresponding sequence in this part. That is the following. This middle one, homework you do in your home. That is homework is there. Any doubt? That is the nth term is given. Substitute n replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose here 5 terms is there. First 5 terms is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose 10 terms is there. 1 to 10. Suppose 100 term is there. 1 to 100. Suppose nth term is there. Put n replace n is there. Here already nth term is given. That is in here in the form of what? Next third one is complete. Then the fourth one value or fourth one question in nth term. First 5 terms one by one. I will explain. That is here is there. Next fourth one. Continue. First 5 terms. An is equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. 2n minus 3 divided by 6. Fourth one. And fifth one, that is here an is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1, 5 to the power n plus 1, 5 to the power n plus 1. And sixth one, that is sixth one, an is equal to n into n square plus 5 divided by 4. Solve one by one, that is here n is equal to take 1, n is equal to take 1. First 5 terms, a1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6. That is 2 minus 3 divided by 6 is what? Minus 1 by 6. 2 minus 3 minus 1. That is next n is equal to take 2, a2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 3 divided by 6. 4 minus 3 is what? 1 by 6. N is equal to take 3, a3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Next n is equal to take 4. a4 is what? 2 into 4 minus 3 divided by 6 is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 6. Here 8 minus 3 is what? 5. 5 by 6. Next last one, n is equal to take 5. a5 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 divided by 6. 10 minus 3 divided by 6 is what? 7 by 6. That is corresponding sequence in the form of what? That is first one minus 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 5 by 6 and 7 by 6. This is the sequence. Any doubt? Here n replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because up to 5 terms. Here next one, that is this one is do in your homework. Next for example number next I will start example number continue. 7th one, continue in bit 4. 7th one, find the 17th term. Find the 17th term in the following sequence. Whose nth term is an is equal to 4n minus 3. Whose nth term is an is equal to that is a17, a24. Two values find out. Solution. Let given an is equal to sequence nth term first, right? An is equal to 4n minus 3. 4n minus 3. One by one find out. Find 17th term. N replace 17. A17 is equal to 4 into 17 minus 3. 17 4s are 68 minus 3 is equal to 65. 28 68 minus 3 is equal to 4n minus 3, 65. Next n replace 24. Second one A24 is equal to 4 into 24 minus 3 is equal to 4 4s are 16, remaining on 8, 96 minus 3 is equal to 93. That is here two values, and 65 and 93. Next, example number 8. Example number 8. I will write direct if an is equal to, not write all theoretical part, I will write direct questions. An is equal to n square. You refer NCERT textbook, n square divided by 2 power n. 2 power n. Find A7. Put n is equal to 7. Yes, n equal to 7, a 17th term. A7 is equal to 7th term is equal to 7 square divided by 2 power 7. 7 square is what? 49. 2 power 7 is what? 128. This is the value. Next, example number 9. Ninth one. Example number 9. Ninth one. If an is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into n cube, then find ninth term. Then find ninth term. L9. Then find ninth term. This indicates that find ninth term. That is, here n is equal to take 9. N is equal to take 9. A ninth term minus 1 to the power 9 minus 1 into 9 cube. That is minus 1 to the power 9 minus 1, 8 into 9 cube. Here negative to the power even, negative to the power even, negative to the power even, always positive, that is 9 cube only. Here 9 cube, 9 into 9, 3, 9 is there, 9 into 9. Here 9 into 9 is what? 81 multiplied with 9, 9 ones are 9, 72. 8 into 9 or 9 into 8, 72. That is, value is what? Plus 729. You simplify, you use in the rough side work, that is that value 729. Next, example number 10. Next, example number 10. Find 20th term of the following sequence. Same as it is, I will write find 20th term of the following sequence. Whose nth term is nth term is an is equal to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3. A20. Find A20. That is, here nth term is given. Let an is equal to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3. Put n is equal to 20. To find 20th term, yes, find 20th term. Here A20 is equal to, that is 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3. That is 20 minus 2, 18 divided by 20 plus 3 is what? 23 is equal to 36. 360 divided by 23. This is the value. Next, example number 11. Next, example number 11. Write the first 5 terms of the following. Write the first 5 terms of the following sequence. And obtain the corresponding series. And obtain the corresponding series. And obtain the corresponding series. A1 is equal to 3 given, and an is equal to 3 times an minus 1 plus 2 for all n greater than 1. Listen carefully, this is very important, n greater than 1, and this is a sequence, nth term is there. Here n greater than 1 which number? N greater than 1 which number? Starting is what? 2. How many terms find out? First 5 terms you find out, that is n greater than 1 is there. First 5 terms find out. Solution. First given what? Given a1 is given, and nth term is also given. An is equal to 3 times an minus 1 plus 2. For n greater than 1 number is what? Starting number. N is equal to take 2. For n greater than 1, first number is what? N is equal to 2. Substitute. A2 is equal to 3 times here a2 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to, here a is already given, a is what? 3. 3 into 3 is what? 9 plus 2 is 11. Next, n is equal to take 3. A3 is equal to 3 times here 3 minus 1 2 a2 plus 2. 3 as it is, a2 refer here is there 11, that is substitute 11 plus 2 here 33 plus 2 is equal to 35. Next, n is equal to take 4. A4 is equal to 3 times a3, here 4 minus 1 3 plus 2 is there, here 3 is there. A3 refer previous 35 plus 2, 35 into 3. Here that is 3 5 is 15, remainder is 1, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 105 plus 2 is equal to what? 107. Don't use a calculator, please. My dear students, don't use calculator unnecessarily. Very simple. You right side multiply it and write it. That is n is equal to take 5 is there. That is n is equal to take 5 a5 is there, and 3 times here 5 minus 1 4, a4 plus 2, here 3 as it is, fourth term previous 107 and plus 2 is equal to, here 107, 3 into 7 21, 3 7s are 21 and 3 1s are 3 plus 2, total is what, 1 plus 2 is what, 3, and 3 2 3 value is there, 3 2 3 value, that is corresponding series, that is corresponding series that is first one is what, that is corresponding series is what, 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323 plus after so. If suppose sequence is there, here comma 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 sequence is there. If series is there, series, yes, sum of terms of sequences, that is here series is there, add the terms in any doubt. Here given nth term, here given an is equal to 3 times an minus 1 plus 2, for condition is what, greater than 1, 1 starting number is what, 2, and a1 is given. Here this is there, substitute n equal to 2 3 4 5 and a1 value and a2 value, a3 value, right, corresponding series. Okay, I will start next class, in class number 3 in the next class.